Good morning and welcome to my channel. The topic today is why am I powering my 2019 Ford Transit conversion van with a Honda 2200i gas generator, two portable solar panels totaling 320 watts, why portable versus hard mounted, a 300 amp hour lithium battery. Come along and I'll show you my thoughts. First question, why portable solar panels versus hard-mounted solar panels? I thought on that question quite often, and I'm not totally sure I'm right. I did pre-wire my van that if I want to put solar panels on the roof, it is wired up there. But the thought behind it is I like camping in the shade, and in the shade, solar panels are not very effective. Also, I live in the South, and it rains quite often. In cloudy days and rainy days, solar panels are not very efficient. That's the second reason I'm carrying a Honda generator is for when it rains. I do have a 300 amp hour lithium battery, and I do have a 20 amp DC to DC battery charger that charges the battery while I'm going down the road. With all that, so far I found out, at least from my experience, my setup is working fine for me.